Hello everyone, if you are searching for web hosting for your WordPress website, then Hostinger is gonna be a great deal for you. Right now they are running the biggest ever Black Friday sale on their website. You can get up to 81% off on their packages. So I will be giving you an extra 20% discount link with their Black Friday offer so that you can avail extra benefits. Okay, so first of all, check their packages with the current offer which they are running as the Black Friday offer. Okay, we're checking out the business package and it's 167 as you can see. So this is my link, pronirab.com/hostinger. If you visit this link, then click on claim offer, and now if you click on add to cart of any package, you can see the 20% discount will be discounted from this total of amount. Okay, before the discount link it was 167, and after visiting the checkout page from my special link it's now 134. So one thing to note is that you will get 20% discount on 1 year, 2 year and 4 year plans, but if you select 1 month it will not work. Okay, so the 20% discount link will work only on the yearly packages. So if you want the discount link, check out my description and first comment, and also you can write yourself on pronirab.com/hostinger, and you can avail the offer from there. Thank you.